Hello everyone, welcome to Google Classroom Training. In today's video is for teachers how to mark attendance of a students. So let us go to the Google Classroom by clicking on the icon of Google Classroom. Over here there are various different classes for me. I'll click one of them and in Classwork section there is nothing as I'm about to make a class for my upcoming week. So you have to click on plus sign, click on question, and on the question you need to mark your attendance. In options, make it ungraded. In due, mark it for Monday, that is 27th. Timing is not required, topic is not required, and answer will be multiple choice. Only option you have to give is present. And student can see class summary? No, because only teacher has to view this. And then we need to schedule it for the day when our class is about to. We'll see this black line over here. Set up it for 27th. Okay. My class is at 11 o'clock. So I have over here 10:55, 5 minutes prior to my class. I'll be taking the attendance. Click on OK and then click on schedule. It has been scheduled for the upcoming class, and as the student joins the class with the class code, he'll be marking himself present and so on. Now rest of the things of how to add class stuff, what class topics and assignments and other details, I'll be seeing it in next video. Thank you.